Hi guys, I'm Shubham Toma and today we are going to review Pulsar 200 NS. As you can see, front of the bike looks good, and here's the headlight, and here is the Pulsar logo, and here is written 200 NS. So now I'm going to review everything about this bike which normal normal person do not do. So many people had requested me, so can you please tell me how the console looks of it. So here it is in off mode. When it is on, here it goes. Now when the light is on, normal Pulsars here have white light here, but in Pulsar 200 NS only there is blue light. It has a top speed of 150. Believe me, मैंने चलाया भी है. Normally people says that 136 is the top speed of the bike, but top speed is 150. Believe me. छोटी वाली लाइट ऑन करते हैं. Now here is the small light looks like, and here is the high beam light. Wow, it looks like a devil. And there is no kick needed in this bike. So basically this bike is monster type, a hulky type, and there is a large gap between this. Now main thing about this bike is average. Sorry guys, but I'm really sorry to say this, that this bike is not above 30 average. Okay, so basically better than 220, and it can defeat in race Pulsar 220, CBR 150R, not 250R, only 150R, and R15 version 2.0. It has a maximum torque of 18.3 Nm at 8000 RPM, and this bike is of 200 kgs. और क्या बे? Silencer. Main question. Silencer is here, just like Pulsar 200 and Duke. Pulsar 200 Duke. Yeah. The silencer is here, and dual disc brakes are there. First one is there, which is 150. Dimensions नहीं पता, but बड़े हैं. And the second one is this. I think this is the largest disc brakes I've seen ever, and the braking power is excellent. It can reach to 100 to 0 in just 15 meters, and it can reach 0 to 60 in 3.6 seconds and 0 to 100 in 7.8 seconds. It is really fast. Now I'm going to show you how this bike sounds. बैठ पीछे. This is low. Now at higher RPM. ये बाइक कांपने लगती है 3-4 RPM में. पकड़ के रख. इनको टॉप स्पीड दिखानी, इधर दिखा.
टॉप स्पीड मेरे को नहीं, अभी भाई अकेले कर लियो, मेरे को मरना नहीं है.
पहले मुझे दिखा. क्या शुभम, चला वो आगे दिखाते रहे, बस सामने दिखाना, इधर कंसोल में दिखाते रहे.
मेरे को हेलमेट पहनने थे तो सारे गिरा गुरु देगा. रुक जा 1 मिनट.
हेलमेट मुझे दे, हेलमेट मुझे दे. टॉप स्पीड मुझे पहननी है.
तो मुझे पहनना है ना.
नहीं यार, टॉप स्पीड तो नहीं पहुंचा पाऊंगा कंसोल में. दिख रही है, तू दिख रही है. Seconds we are 20 km/h. Now you can see this has a great power of braking. By reviewing this, I'm going to post. You can see the high beam light looks very better. As you can see, the high beam light lighting all over the path, and the path description is just like Transformer's head. Oh my god. Wow. This bike this bike have several as this bike is very powered, as you know, this is this runs on 3 spark plugs, and so basically this engine gets very heat in very short time. So to make the engine cool, there is something applied on this. First thing is they have given a green colored coolant behind the bike. I will show you. This is the green colored coolant. Pakad be. And in front of this bike there is a fan, a small fan, which runs only in when the temperature of the engine reaches 100 degrees Celsius. So what else is needed? और क्या बताऊं बे? हाँ, आज ही सर्विस कराई, बड़ी धांस लग रही है, टेफलॉन कोटिंग कराई मैंने, देख लो जी। देखो नीचे चमक रही है बिल्कुल बाइक यार। एक्चुअली मैं दिन में ओह वाओ, आज तो शरद पूर्णिमा है। रुक बे, आज शरद पूर्णिमा है।
स्कूटर में बाइक चला रहा हूँ।
चल बे।
हाँ हाँ
हाँ वाह वाह।
वहाँ पे
Sorry guys to interrupt you, but this is a great moon of शरद पूर्णिमा।
पीछे हो जाओ,
चुप रह, चल।
अब दिमाग मत खराब कर। एक बार वहाँ तक बस।
और मुझे कुछ पता नहीं क्या करना है गाइस, बट अगर कुछ कमी हो, वैसे कमी तो लग ही रही है मुझे, आप बता देना फिर भी, ठीक है? ओके, थैंक्स।